million songs. Well, I hear you whispering the words with everyone, but you stay so cool. My morning pizza, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. You're my reason for reason. Let's step in that room, yeah. And if you say this life ain't good enough, I'll give my world to live you up. I can change my life to better suit your mood, because you're so smooth. And it's just like the ocean under the moon. It's the sense, the emotion that I get from you. You got a kind of love that can be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, or let's forget about it. When I tell you one thing, if you would leave me, I'd be crying to say. In every breath and every word, I hear your name calling me out. When I'm by you, you hear my rhythm on the radio. You feel the turning of the words, so soft and slow, turning you round and round. You said this life ain't good enough, I'm good. My world to lift you up, I could change my life to better suit your mood, because you're so smooth. And it's just like the ocean under the moon. It's the sense, the emotion that I get from you. You got a kind of love that can be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, or let's forget about it. Like the ocean under the moon, it's the sense, the emotion that I get from you. You got a kind of love that can be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, or let's forget about it. 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 Give me your heart, make it real, or let's forget about it. Or let's forget about it. Give me your heart, make it real, or let's forget about it.
Ayan, magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Yan, dito po tayo sa birthday po ba?
Or
And christening or christening lang po?
Christening yata, oo. Christening.
O, asan ngayon si Grant Rafael? Asan? Ha? Ay, natulog na. Natulog na. Okay.
Ayan.
Nabannog ka nun, Apo. Ayan. Pwede
Ilang
po kayo.
taon po siya? One. Maybe.
What?
3.
Ay, 3 months.
3 months.
3 months old.
3 months lang.
3 months. Akala ko 1 kasi may 1. Yung balloon kanino
Okay.
1.
O, ba't pumipiyok ka, kuya? Hindi binata ka? Kakatuli mo lang, no?
Okay. Ayan. Siyempre, bago natin ipagpatuloy, gusto ko yung malakas na palakpak muna! Alright! Okay. Pero ano, gusto nyo na bang sumayaw? O manood lang sa amin? O ano? May request ba kayo dyan?
Yes, baka may mga
Wala doon
request.
space. Pwede po kayo sumayaw doon sa
Ito
likod.
na naman yung sinasabi ko. Yung nanonood lang. Huwag kayong manood lang. Dapat sumayaw din kayo o kayo mag-request.
Yes.
Hindi.
Ganun.
Actually, inay, kasi mga Ilocano tong mga to. Ang mga Ilocano, kapag wala pang inom, nagbabain. Pero pag nakainom, magbabain.
Ay, sus, po delikado dito.
Nakainom na ba kayo? Hindi pa? Hindi pa.
Hampay.
O
Madamang-
Hindi pa sila
managbabain
na,
pa
hindi
ila.
pa nila bawasan.
Kuya,
Oh.
umpisahan mo na yan. Ay, apo na agad. Ay, sus, Maria.
Oh, tignan mo.
Nakaaduda gaya man.
Ayan, baka the request yo, Apo. Sex ka.
Kakatapos lang.
Sasayaw ka, kuya.
Ana Ilocano. Ore anak ano.
Ore.
Nagidadat na likod, apo na ti request yo. Ha?
Sisibit daw.
Si Siwe.
Siwe.
Apo talagang hangal.
Sapa mo to.
Nasapa nga si Siwe.
Ito no, tanda ni Malta.
Maporganak pa yun. Siwe. Joke.
Okay. As requested, ayan, bigyan natin yung request ni ano, ibigyan na natin yung request ni Mami. Mami, sige, dyan ka lang. Dyan ka lang, Mami, mamaya pa yung dalaw. Charot. Okay. O, eto na yung Ilocano mo, Mami. Okay. I stand by for the song ko, Silapan Ka.
Ayan, magpalakpakan naman tayo dyan.
Kaya sa Ilocano nga sunata para kanyayo amin. Adaak dito'y adda ka dita. Adayunay nagbaetata. Diya mo no kasaluka no sumipnge malagip na kata. No bukod mo tay siksika. Buy-buyae kadreterato ta adwa. Di mo kadila marina day di barat ayat bukid nga tapno siga tay di unay maila alaem sursurat ko tain ka at basa ngem no tadi mapnek tarinam agdayal ka tatumawag ka ururayet tatawag ko biyako tapnon maingatan dayta iliw mo bayam ngayat kasko hindi I love you sikalat malaglagi ko. Adaak dito'y addakat haway hadayunay nagbaetanda diya mo no kasaluka no sumipnget malagip na ngata no bukod mo tay siksika buy-buyaem kadreterato ta adwa di mo kadila marina day di barat ayat bukid ka ururahin katawag mo biyak ko tapnon maikatan dayta iliw mo may ang ayat kasko iti I love you sikalat malaglagip ko ururahin tatawag mo biyak ko tapnon maikatan dayta iliw mo may am nga iyep kasko iti I love you sikalat malaglagip ko sikalat malaglagip ko sikalat malaglagip ko. Ito ang pinapolwan na sunata tapno di ka mahila aming sagsagot aming nanyayon. Thank you so much.
Meken kaidi anu kandat mo tuwag subli I get sorry to chat may kari na palalo ang mente sakit na daydayal daw apimanaw ka sa di ka pa'y close kimita labas iruruan ko tinagwayas sa nalipatan ka naminanuan ako balik na magkumabiyag ko at subli ka yan di naglata kinit kita Ipasulit na may mata ako may tagad ka sa tukoy ng ano yan ibababa tas kanto pa na ibalik na ano piyagak na Namirisbot nagtitutap I am sorry damage has been done Iklitin panganong sa ema itunat Palagigit masarakan Nagpasan na siyakit Pagnawan Pasulit na may mata, ako titagal sa tugan mga to. Yan ibababa, kasta ko parang ibalik na. Ano pinagkakawan ka?
Alright, magsipalakpakan naman dyan. Oh. Higyan na namin yung mga request yun na Ilocano, ha? And,
May request po sila.
ano to?
Come what may and always remember us this way.
Come what may. Come what may.
Ano po pangalan nung nag-request? Sir Kevin. Ayan. Para po alam namin kung sino yung sisingilin. Joke lang po.
Pwede na rin po, pwede na. At saka, sino ba yung nag-request kanina?
Yung always remember us this way din. Si Ma'am Aye. A. Dancel or Aye?
Ayan, at ibigay na natin yung request nila.
Okay, and ito na yung request nyo. That Arizona skies
Ayan, magpalakpakan naman tayo dyan!
burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch some fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all took apart, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, we try to ride. We don't know how to ride, but some we try. But all I really know is where I wanna go. To part of me that you will never die. So when I'm old, you'll come, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. Ooh, 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 so when I'm on to come back, I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Alright. Ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo nga nag-request. Kuya, tapos na po yung kanta. Ay, parang patay mali siya ka, ha? Okay. At yung Come What May, okay ba? Come what may. Oh. Come what may. Come what may nga. Sige.
Ayan, at may guest jammer tayo mamaya.
Yes, standby
Ah.
lang po.
Sige, maganda yan.
Ayan, at request lang po kayo ng request. Yes, as long as kaya po namin siyang tugtugin,
Huwag po kayo mahihiya.
tama.
Kasi libre lang po.
Oo.
Huwag mo namang sabihin yan, baka malugi tayo.
Baka mamaya wala nang magano.
Libre
Oo nga.
lang.
Diba?
Diyos ko, nakakatakot naman
Alam mo
yung gusto
na.
mo sa buhay.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo si kuya, tawa ng tawa. Walang pera yan.
Ada!
Talaga. Sige,
Alam mo
Manolo.
doon.
Sinungaling ka.
Patunayan mo, sir.
Nakita ko yung gums mo nangingitim. Ibig sabihin, wala.
naglalabas na.
Ayan.
Ay, may benta si...
Anong mabibili na 3 conditioner? Ano gusto mo maligo kami dito? Ay, nako.
Joke lang po yun, sir.
Oo.
Oh, joke lang.
Alam naman namin, ipagdadamot mo yung 20 mo, huy.
Okay. At,
Ayan, subukan
Sige.
natin yung yung come what may.
basta, come what may na.
Yes.
Kung ano
Oo.
yung,
Pagbigyan na natin yung pambabarat ni kuya.
sino ba yung nag-request?
Si Sir Kevin.
Kevin!
Siya po.
Siya,
Kevin.
yan.
Ay, siya pala.
Kitamkat Hawaiano mo tabadong, sir. Hawaiano ka talaga.
Ayan.
Kado lang kami.
Oo naman, yung amoy mo naman balikbayan box. Amoy karton. Oo, inamoy ko. Iyak na yan.
Amoy Irish Spring.
Kuya, charot lang po yun
Oo.
Oo.
Ito naman ang high blood.
Charot lang
Uy,
yun. Oo.
Charing.
Mga biro-biro lang para may masabi
Tama.
ka na.
Yes.
Kasi ang tagal-tagal nila dito
Katuwaan
sa likod,
lang.
Katuwaan lang.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay na ba? Kaninong kanta yan? Air Supply, di ba?
Kay si Berwin Mailey. Aray.
Charot.
Anay ko?
Uy,
Ganun dapat umaray.
baka mamaya,
Bakit?
lalamigin ka na naman, oh.
Okay lang yan, di pa ako kumain.
Kung sino pa yung hindi kumakain, ha?
Eh,
Super sexy ka na, ha?
ano ba?
Okay. Eto na. Magsipalakpakan muna. Okay. Thank you so much. Try lang to namin. Try po lang. Try lang. Kapag may nga.
When she looks at me,
Magsipalakpakan! Pwede po kayong sumayaw.
nobody
Oh, yung mga
else can see.
minamahal nyo dyan. Pwede
All
nyo
of the
isayaw.
secret
Sige na kuya,
fears
sayaw mo sila.
inside and all
Dali,
the craziness I hide. She
Nagkakayaan
looks
pa.
into my soul
Sige na.
and reads
Sige
me
na.
like nobody can.
Uy, may gin pa dyan, ha?
And she doesn't judge the man. She just takes me as
Everybody,
I am. Come what may, she believes.
Oy, sabay
And
kayo,
that
ah.
fate is something I
Baby.
never known before. Come what may, she loves me. And that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.
Ayan na, ayan na. Uy.
When I turn away,
May pambili na ng gamot niya.
she knows those are the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hours of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right on
Sabay-sabay
loving me. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love myself a little more.
Yes, and this song is dedicated once again to Kevin. Ay, gusto ko yung smile mo, ha? Kevin ang pangalan talaga. Kevin. Siya yung... Ay, Kevin.
Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself. Come what may, she believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more.
Alright, maraming salamat. Wow. May bibinigay si Kuya na pang-merienda. Okay. Thank you so much sa compliment. O ginawa pang parang apa ng ice cream. Okay. Okay, and sabi dito, welcome home. Ayun na, kasi...
Yan, welcome home to Miss
Hindi ko na
Emeline
lang
Ballesteros
yung,
from Canada.
mata ko eh.
And of course, to Sir Charles Santos and to Kirby Santos from Hawaii. Ayan.
And thank you to Miss Desiree Reyes of Hawaii. Thank you so much.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Yung mas malakas pa, ano